Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm reviewing the 1955 Godzilla from Godzilla Raids Again. This is not what it actually is, but that's what I'm gonna call it because this is another one of those fake Godzillas. So yeah, I got this from Easter from the Easter Bunny. Oh yeah, and happy Easter guys, and it's April Fool's, so I'm excited to watch some April Fool's videos. Yeah. Okay, starting off with his detail. I love his detail because, in the fight with the Anguis, it's like at the end of the movie, Anguis puts his hand up just like, oh my gosh, my cat. I guess we're just going to have to deal with this. So yeah, I'm just kidding, the hand somehow broke when I found it, but that doesn't matter. I pretend he was in a fight with the Ghidorahs, and one Ghidorah bit his hand off, then he just atomic breathed it. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I like how his little... Okay, I'll be right back. Storm! There we go. So yeah, like all the little scary bumps things, and then his bumps on the top of his head, and I got 2. I got 62 too, and that's my favorite Godzilla. And it's another fake Godzilla, but it looks like 62 a lot, so I'm just gonna call it 62. So yeah, nice hands. I like how he can actually move his head. Not a lot of fake Godzillas can move their head. This is pretty cool. He has red nostrils and red eyes. And then I actually kind of like this. Look at this. They're kind of reddish. Oh, I'm bad at the camera. Okay, there we go. Now I remember what side the camera was on. And I like how his tail shifts, kind of like. This guy is giant. And he's a lot lighter than you would think. Look at this guy. Who can I compare him with? Oh yeah. '89 Godzilla compared to this guy. That's like baby Godzilla and that Godzilla. So that's pretty cool. In size. This kind of, and yeah. And his teeth aren't stuck inside his mouth. His teeth actually point on like some other fake Godzillas. Okay. I'm done with detail because the detail took like 3 minutes. Okay. Now let's get into the articulation. So like I said, he can move his head. Oh, yeah, I love this. He's like, why hello there? Okay, and then his hand, some of his joints are hard to move even with one hand. Since like this guy's big, I need to carry him, and because I lost my tripod or whatever it's called, this one's easier to move. And then Ultraman fell. His legs can move just a little bit. Well, it can move better if yours is not like really that stiff, or if yours I don't know. Okay, and then his tail can move. Time to rate this guy. His hand is missing, but I kind of want to paint that red like his hand was bitten off. That'd be actually so cool, like, boom. And I could do like the have a fan film, and stuff would be like, of a King Ghidorah puppet just biting his hand, and then it shows him when he's small, like that. That would be pretty cool. Comment down if you want to see that. Yeah, he's got a red spot right there. Yikes. Yeah, I love doing this, like fat food kind of things. Like, I don't know what they're called. Not fat foods. I don't know. Why do I call them fat foods? Like, I don't know. Okay. So yeah, this is articulation. Okay, time to rate this guy. I like how you can move his head. That gives him extra points. I like how his hand's bitten off. And then no, at the end of the fan film, I would get his hand bitten off. That'd be very better. Because at the start, where would his hand be the rest of the thing? Because I used the smaller one and I want to use the big one the whole time, probably. I'm not sure. Yeah, because my King Ghidorahs are like the size of the 62 I got. I'd have to rate this guy 8. He's got some unique parts on him, like this, and then how his hand is missing. So yeah, I rate this guy an 8. I'm gonna start getting you guys to comment what you would rate this guy. Okay, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.